Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Word tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change language in Word. This is actually quite simple. First of all, I open Word, and to change the language I click on the File tab in the top left hand corner. Now I go to Options and switch to the Language tab. If the right language is not available yet, I can install a new language here. I now select the language in which I want to use Word and click on Set as Preferred. After I have clicked on OK, I now have to restart Word. Let's do that very quickly. And now we can see that Word is displayed in German for this example. And that's all you have to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.